Hi students, good morning. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. For the last classes we are learning about application of matrices and determinants and we have completed the first section. 1.1 we have completed. I hope you all are thorough in that section and you all completed the notes as well as the home assignments. Let's enter into the next section 1.2, that is Cramer's rule. Our next section is Cramer's rule. So, in this Cramer's rule, by using this Cramer's rule, we can solve the non-homogeneous linear equation. So, in the last exercise, you have learned how to solve a non-homogeneous linear equation by using rank method. In this section, we are going to learn about solving the linear equation, that is non-homogeneous linear equation up to 3 variables. Okay, 2 variables and up to 3 variables. Okay, up to 3 variables alone it is possible. So, how you can solve by using Cramer's rule? So, when they are asking the question, they will ask like this. Solve this by using Cramer's rule. Solve by using rank method means last method you need to follow. Solve by using Cramer's rule means this method you need to follow. Understand? Okay. So, first I will explain what you mean by this Cramer's rule. Okay. So, for this I am going to consider two equations. So, first I will explain the two linear equations with two unknowns. Okay. Let us consider one equation a1x plus b1y is equal to d1. The next one is a2x plus b2y is equal to d2. Now, I have considered two linear equations. Here, how many unknown variables? X is one unknown variable and y is another one unknown variable. So, how you will take in the sense delta. Delta is equal to determinant value of this a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay. Then, next, when you are finding delta x means what you will do in the sense, you will bring this d1 and d2 to the first. Okay. So, here d1 and d2, b1, b2 same. Then, next, delta y means in the place of y, that is here as it is, a1, a2. In the place of y, you need to bring this d1 and d2. Understand? Okay. So, delta means same the coefficients of x and y. Delta x means in the place of the coefficients of x, you will write as d1 and d2. This d1 and d2. Delta y means you will bring this d1 and d2 to the here in b1 and b2. Understand? So, the solution. How you will find the solution? The solution of unknown by Cramer's rule. How you will find the solution by using Cramer's rule is, the formula is x value. If you need x value, you will find delta x by delta. If you need y value, delta y by delta. When you are seeing this, I hope you got some idea. Provided delta will be not equal to 0. Keep it in mind, delta means determinant value. That's all. So, first, if they gave one equation, first you need to find the determinant value, that is delta. Afterwards, you need to replace like this. In the place of a1 and a2, you bring the d1 and d2 here. That is this one, constant values. Okay. Then same as delta y. Afterwards, how you will find the solution? X value if you need means delta x by delta. Y value if you need means delta y by delta. Keep it in mind, provided delta value not equal to 0. This is for unknown variables, that is 2 unknown variables. Next I will explain if it is 3 unknown variables, what you will do. Now listen, I am going to consider three linear equations. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Okay. Then same as next equation a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. Then a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Now same as that one. So let delta is equal to what will happen? Determinant value of all the coefficients. So a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then a3, b3, c3. Okay. Then delta x means what will happen? In the place of a1, a2, a3 you need to bring the constants here. So d1, d2, d3. Okay. Next one same. b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Okay. Then same as if we need delta y, what will you do? a1, a2, a3. In the b1, b2, b3 place you need to bring the constant. That is d1, d2, d3. c1, c2, c3. Okay. Then same as delta z, how will you find? That is a1, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 in the place of c1, c2, c3. Is it right? That is d1, d2, d3. Okay. So what's the formula? How we will find the unknown variables? If we need x value, same formula. Delta x by delta. Then if we need y value, delta y by delta. Then z value if we need means delta z by delta. Understand? These are the things you need to keep it in mind. Understand? So when you are getting the problems, first you will find the determinant value. Afterwards you will change like this. Delta x, delta y, delta z you need to find separately. Afterwards if you substitute here you will get the answer. Understand? These are the things you need to know for doing the problems. Understand? So let's move to the next question. Example 1.19. Solution. The equations are two equations I wrote. First, what you need to find? By Cramer's rule they said, is it right? So you need to find the delta value, that's the determinant value. Write down the coefficients 2, 3, 3, 5. Correct? Next you know how to find the determinant. 2 into 5 means 10 minus 9. What's the answer? 1. Whether it is equal to 0, not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we can't proceed. Okay, not equal to 0. Afterwards, find out delta x. So, I said already, delta x, if you need means what did you do? You will bring the constant to the first. Is it right? 7, 9, 3, 5. Now, find 7 into 5 means 35. Minus 9 into 3 means 27. 35 minus 27 means 8. Okay. Then, delta y is equal to this one same, bring the constant 2 in the place of here. So what will happen? 7, 9. So 2 into 9, 18 minus 21. So 18 minus 21 means you will get as minus 3. Okay. So how we will find the solution? By Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, how will you find x? X is equal to delta x by delta. So what's the delta x value? 8. 8 by 1. That is equal to 8. Okay. Then y value how will you find? Delta y by delta. What's the delta y value? Minus 3 by 1. That is equal to minus 3. So from that you get the solution. Solution is x is equal to 8. Y is equal to minus 3. That's the answer. Understand? Again I will repeat. First find delta, that's not equal to 0. Then delta x, delta y. Then by Cramer's rule. Apply here, you got the answer. If you need, you can check the answer here. 2 into 8 means 16 plus 3 into minus 3. That is minus 9. So 2 into 8, is it right? That is 16. 16 minus 9. You will get 7. Okay? Correct. Your answer is correct. Solution is correct. So x for one value and y for one value. Keep it in mind. If they asked to solve the equation by Cramer's rule, you need to follow in this method alone. If they asked by rank method, you need to follow the first exercise. That same model. If they not asked, solve by using Cramer's rule or solve by using rank method, as per your wish, you can choose any one of the method and you can do. Understand? Okay, then let's move to the next question. Example 1.20, you refer in your book. The following table represents the number of shares of two companies A and B during the month of January and February, and it also gives the amount in rupees invested by Ravi during these 2 months for the purchase of shares of two companies. Find the price per share of A and B purchased during both the amounts. So here they are talking about the price of two, okay, that is, sorry, the number of shares of two companies A and B. So here one data is given. So what I am going to do in the sense, I am going to consider, let the price of one share be Y and the price of another share be Y, okay. So from the given data we can form the equation. How we will form the equation? 10x plus 5y is equal to 125, same as 9x plus 12y is equal to 150. Okay, so I am writing the equation by the given data. We are going to form the equation, that is 10x plus 5y is equal to 125, same as that 9x plus 12y equal to 150. Okay, so how we will do? We will follow the Cramer's rule. Okay, first you will find delta. What is delta? 10, 5, 9, 12. Cross multiply. That is 10 into 12 means 120. Minus 5 into 9 means 45. 120 minus 45 is 75. It is not equal to 0. Next, what will you do? You will find delta x. So delta x means 125. You will bring this to here. Is it right? I am not repeating. Then 150, 5, 12. Okay, so multiply 125 into 12. Side you can multiply 125 into 12. So 0, 1, how much you will get? 2 to 4, 5, 1, 2 is 2, 5, 2, 1. So 0, 0, 1, 5, 1. So 1500 minus 150 into 5. So how much you will get? 0, 2, 1, 5 is 5, 750. So how much you will get? 1500 minus 750. You will get a 750. Correct? Yes. Then find out delta y. Delta y means this one as it is. Bring the constant to here. So 125, 150. So multiply ma. How much you will get? 1500 minus 125 into 9. So how much you will get? 5 9s are 45. 4, 2 9s are 18. 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22. 1 9 is 9. 10, 11. So 1125. So if we subtract, how much you will get? 375. Understand? Now you have found out delta, delta x and delta y. Now apply by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule. Apply by Cramer's rule. X is equal to delta x by delta. So what will happen? 750 by 75, that is equal to 10. Then y value, delta y by delta. So what is delta y value? 375. Okay, 375 divided by 75. Okay, if you divide, how much you will get? 5. Divide and see. Okay, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Okay, so the price of the shares, you want to write the answer like this, is it right? The price of the share, price of the share A is rupees 10. Then, and price of the share B is rupees 5. Okay, price of the share A is rupees 10 and price of the share B is rupees 5. This is all. Okay, so now you got a good idea in Cramer's rule. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Next question is example 1.21. The total cost of 11 pencils and 3 erasers is rupees 64 and the total cost of 8 pencil and 3 eraser is rupees 49. Find the cost of each pencil and each eraser by Cramer's rule. Here in this question they mentioned 2 tools. What are the 2 tools here? Pencil and eraser. Yes. So let us consider the cost of a pencil as X and the cost of eraser as Y. Okay. The cost of pencil as X. Then let the cost of eraser as Y. Okay. So from the given data you can write them. Okay. So 11 pencil. So 11 pencil means by the given data. I will repeat the same. So same thing, because of that I am skipped here. That is delta value I have found out. Delta X value. So delta Y value. Then by applying Cramer's rule, X is equal to delta X by delta. You will get X value, Y value, the cost of the pencil and cost of the eraser you have got. Okay, got it? Let's move to the next question. Solve by Cramer's rule. Here, listen here, it is a small difference. Here it is a small difference is there. What's the difference? X, Y is 3 unknown variables. You need to solve by Cramer's rule. Okay, so here solution. Here first you need to find delta. Okay, so delta is equal to, do it very carefully. So delta means 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 3, 2, minus 1. First find the determinant value. You have learned last year how you will find the determinant value. You know, is it right? That is equal to 1 into this and this you will cancel. So minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1 you will get. Then minus 1 into this and this will get cancelled. So minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Then plus 1 into this and this will get cancelled. 2 minus 1, 3, 2. That is equal to 1 into, cross multiply, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 6. Minus 1 into 1 minus 6. Then plus 1 into 4 plus 3. Okay, you know, is it right? That is equal to 1 into minus 5, minus 1 into minus 5, plus 1 into 12. So that is equal to how much you will get? Minus 5 plus 5 plus, 4 plus 3 means you will get a 7. Okay, so 7. Okay, so how much you will get? Sorry students, there is a small correction. That is minus 1 into, that is this and this will go. Is it right? So 2, 3, 3 minus 1 you will get. Is it right? So how much? Minus 2, minus 9. So minus 11. Okay, that is equal to minus 5 plus 11 plus 7. Okay, that is equal to 18 minus 5 means 13. This is not equal to 0. Carefully you need to do. Last year more than 20 to 25 problems we did how to find the determinant. So you know how to find the determinant. So now you have found out delta value. Next one is how you are going to find the delta X value. So delta X value means what you need to do? Bring the constant to the first column. Okay. So now I am going to do delta X. Okay. Bring the constant to the first row. So what will happen? 4, 1, 1 column. Then 1, minus 1, 2 as it is. Last also as it is. That is 1, 3, minus 1. Understand? Check it. That is equal to 4 into this and this will get cancelled. So how much? Minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Then minus 1 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 3, 1, minus 1. Next one is plus 1 into this and this will get cancelled. 1 minus 1, 1, 2. Okay. Do it very carefully. 4 into 1, 1. Minus 6, correct? Minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3. Then plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 4 into minus 5 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 3. That is equal to minus 20 plus 4 plus 3. So how much you will get? How much you will get? 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 minus 20 means minus 13. This is a value for delta X. Understand? Then you will find out delta Y. Delta Y means what will you do? First column as it is. That is first column as it is means 1, 2, 3. So it's a constant. Is it right? It will move to the next column. So 4, 1, 1. Last column as it is. 1, 3, minus 1. Okay. Let's find out the delta Y value. I'll find out delta Y value. Okay. So delta Y. How you will find the delta Y value in the sense that is equal to delta Y means 1 into, you refer in your book, delta Y means 1, 3, 1 minus 1. The next value is minus 4 into, second and this will get cancelled. So you will get as 2, 3, 3 minus 1. Then last one is plus 1 into that particular column and row. If we cancel means 2, 1, 3, 1 you will get. Check it correctly. That is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 9. Then plus 1 into 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 3. That is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 11 plus 1 into minus 1. That is equal to minus 4 plus 44. Then minus 1. So 44 minus 5 means you will get as 39. This is a value for delta y. Understand? Then delta z value you need to find out. Okay? I won't do. So 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2. 4, 1, 1. Don't write like this in your classwork. Don't write like this. You want to do and find out the answer. I am writing the answer. If you are finding delta z, you will get 26. Find out and write the answer. Don't write like this. Okay? It's equal to 26. So by Cramer's rule. Now apply by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, what will happen? X is equal to delta x by delta. Delta x value is minus 13 by 13 equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to delta y by delta. So what will happen? 39 divided by 13. You will get as 3. Then z is equal to delta z by delta. You will get as 26 by 13. That is equal to 2. Now what's the solution? You need, don't forget, write down the solution. Solution is x, y, comma, z is equal to, what's the solution? Minus 1, comma, 3, comma, 2. This is a required answer. If you need, you can check it. Understand? Very, very easiest question. But you need to do very careful when you are finding delta x, delta y and delta z. And apply by Cramer's rule and find out the x, y, z value. I hope you got it. Okay. Next question is example 1.23. Refer the question in your book. The price of 3 business mathematics books, 2 accountancy books and 1 commerce book is rupees 840. The price of 2 business mathematics book, 1 accountancy book and 1 commerce book is 570. The price of 1 business mathematics book, 1 accountancy book and 2 commerce books is 630. Find the cost of each book by using Cramer's rule. So here they are talking about 3 books. What are the 3 books? Business maths book, accountancy book and commerce book. So first you consider x as the cost of business maths book, y as the cost of accountancy book, z as the cost of commerce book and form a 3 equation. Afterwards same as previous problem you can do. I will start and I will find out delta and I will give rest of the problem you need to practice. Understand? Example 1.23. Question you refer in your book. Okay. So let us consider, let x be the cost of business maths book. Then let y be the cost of accountancy book. Then let z be the cost of commerce book. Okay. So using the details we are going to form the equation. First sentence in the question is the price of 3 business maths book. So by the given condition 3 business maths book means 3x. Then plus 2 accountancy book, so 2y. Then and 1 commerce book, so 2z is equal to 840, it's given. Then next one, the price of 2 business maths book, so 2x plus 1 accountancy book, that is y, plus 1 commerce book, that is z is equal to 570. Then next one is the price of business mathematics book, 1 business maths book, so x, 1 accountancy book, so y, then 2 commerce books is equal to 630. Okay. Now we have formed the 3 equation. Let's find delta is equal to 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Form it. That is equal to 3 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Then minus 2 into this and this will get cancelled. So 2, 1, 1, 2. Then next one is plus 2 into this and this will get cancelled. So 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. That is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into 4 minus 1. Plus 2 into 2 minus 1. That is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1. That is equal to 3 minus 6 plus 2. So how much you'll get? How much you'll get? That is 3 plus there's a small correction. Here it is 1 is it? Okay. So that is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4. 4 minus 6 means minus 2. That is not equal to 0. So I think you can do the rest of the problem. Okay. So how will you do? Next you will find delta x value. Next you will find delta y value. Next you will find delta z value. Simply I am going to write the answer and I will skip it. Okay. So delta x when you are finding, what will happen? 840, 570, 630. Same as 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Find out the determinant value. It will expand it correctly and do. Check the answer. You will get minus 240. Don't write like this. Do it and write down the answer. Then delta y is equal to, how much you'll get? 3, 840, 1, 2, 570, 1, 1, 630, 2 is equal to. How much you'll get? In the sense minus 300. You do it and write down. Don't write like this. Already we have did many problems. Because of that I am skipping. So 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. So here 840, 570, 630. If you are finding the determinant value, you will get as minus 360. Students, please don't write like this. Do it. Check it and afterwards write down the answer. Okay. Then by Cramer's rule. If you are applying by Cramer's rule, what will happen? Apply the Cramer's rule. X is equal to delta x by delta. So delta x value is minus 240 divided by minus 2. This will get cancelled. You will get as 120 equal to 120. Then y value delta y by delta, that is equal to minus 300 divided by minus 2. This and this will get cancelled. You will get as 150 equal to 150. Then z is equal to delta z by delta, that is equal to minus 360 divided by minus 2. This and this will get cancelled. You will get as 180. Now you need to take and write down the answer. That is the cost of business maths book. How much? Rupees 120. Then the cost of which book? Accountancy book. The cost of accountancy book is equal to rupees 150. Then the cost of commerce book. Commerce book is equal to rupees 180. Understand? You want to write the answer separately. Students, please listen here. Don't write down the answer like this. You check it, expand and correctly do it and check the answer. Okay. Afterwards, write down. Understand what I said? Okay. Students, I hope you got thorough knowledge in this section, Cramer's rule. Comparing to the last session, this Cramer's rule is very easy, you will think. But if you are putting any small mistake in finding delta x, delta y and delta z, full problem it will be collapsed. So you want to be very careful when you are finding the determinant value. Otherwise, this method is very easy. So don't leave it. 5 mark question they may ask from this section. So learn it correctly. Understand? So we have learned today how to solve a non-homogeneous linear equation, 2 variable as well as 3 variable. That is unknown variable x and y, unknown variable x, y and z. How we will find the x, y, z value you have learned today. Then we have completed up to example 1.23. We have completed. So in the next class we will start from example 1.24. Before that I will give some more home assignments for you. So exercise 1.2. If you are taking exercise 1.2, note down the home assignments. Exercise 1.2, problem number 1. There are 5 subdivisions are there. So everything you need to do. There first 2 subdivision is of 2 variables. Next 3 subdivisions is of 3 variables. We did 4 or 5 problems today. So there also some in between some work I gave for you. You complete that. Afterwards do this 5 home assignment also. Today itself you sit and do. Then only you will get thorough knowledge in this Cramer's rule. Understand, students? So, the rest of the problems we will see in the next class. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next